Jamaican men, so-called black people on a whole, and I say so-called black people, because of the victim mentality. They would have the mass of us think we are defined by our skin tone and not by what we do, not by our actions. Wake up, fellow brethren. This is not the 1800s or even the 1900s. Have we ever wondered why Chinese people, Indian people, how they can come to Jamaica, dirt poor, and in a couple of years, they are running a supermarket, a clothing chain, and I say chain because that's how they do business. They use what I call the chain effect. I have worked with both groups for many years, decades really, and I have learned a lot. They have their own problems, believe me. But from the outside, you don't really see it. What they have aside from commonality of everyday problems is brotherhood cooperation. If one Chinese supermarket in Jamaica runs out of a product to sell, they can call on any of their fellow Chinese brethren, and if they have the product, they will send it over to their fellow brethren, thus preventing him from losing the sale. And as soon as he buys back the product, he returns it to his brethren at no cost, no penalties, no fees. We as so-called black people would see this as an opportunity to move in on our brother's market, taking his sale, and if possible try to run them out of business. Can you see the difference in cultures?